Good morning. This is Bhupendra Singh Mandloi. Today we will discuss new algorithm which will perform addition of new node at last position into single linked list or add new node at last position into single linked list. So our purpose is to first we have to create new node. After creating new node, we will write the procedure for how to add created node at last position. So in this case, we will face two possibilities or two conditions. First condition will be if linked list is completely empty, then we have to add new node at last position. Second condition will be if linked list is not empty, then we have to add new node at last position into single linked list. For this purpose, first we have to create new node and enter data into created node. After we will check the value of our start variable. Start might be null or may not be null. So first we have to create new node. First we have to create new node. So for creating new node, we have to call malloc function. We have to call malloc function. So we will see this algorithm by two approach. First one will be, we will write here steps of algorithms, steps of algorithms, and here we will see or understand this algorithm by the diagram. So first we should create new node because we can add new node in any conditions. If start is null, then we can add. If linked list is not empty or start having address of first node, then we can also add new node at last position. So this is the node having address of this node into PTR variable. PTR is a variable which can hold address of this node. So now we have to enter data into this node. Suppose we have to enter 5, and remember that this node has to add at last position in any case. So link part or address part of this node must be null because this will be the last node. So here our node is completely created, and we have to write here steps number one, what we did here. So we have to show here message for allocating memory. Allocate memory for new node, and we have to store address of this node into variable ptr. So we have to write here malloc function, which will provide the memory block for node. Now second step will be enter data into new node. Enter data into new node. So we have to set here, set ptr pointer info equal to data, and also set address part of this node will be null, because it will be added at last position. So it will become last node of linked list. So we have to set here null. So in this step we completed our node. Now we have to check what is the position of linked list. So in this case might be possible our start variable having null value, having null value. Null. Start having null. So after addition of this node, after addition this node will be last node of linked list and also first node of linked list. So we have to give address of this node to our variable start. So start will hold the address of created node and null will be replaced by the address of new created node. So this is the node which will be added at last position into linked list. So what we did here, we did here addition of new node at last position when our linked list is empty. If start contains no node, so start will be null. So we have to assign value of ptr into start variable and we have to return from this block. Now this node will be added at last position and also at first position. What happened when linked list having multiple nodes or more than two nodes? So in this case, suppose we have multiple nodes. So what happened when linked list having multiple nodes? So we have to add new created node at last position. So we have to add here. So for this purpose we have to visit first node, second node, and we have to reach at last node. So from the first node we have to store address of last node in another variable, so we can easily add our newly created node at last position. For this purpose we have to assign address of first node into another variable, like we have to write here another variable is called loc, and this variable having the address of first node, and we have to traverse, or loc variable has to traverse from first node to last node and contains the address of last node into loc variable. For this purpose we have to write here next point will be another variable loc having the address of first node, and we have to traverse all the nodes and we have to reach at last position or at last node. For this purpose we have to iterate this linked list while loc not loc pointer link not equal to null, and loc have to move from the right direction. So we have to write loc equal to loc pointer link. It will work as a counter. After iterating or completing this loop, loc will be at the last node. So we will see in the diagram here, loc will be reached at the last position. Now we have to set loc pointer link equal to PTR, because address of this node or created node is stored in our PTR variable, So we have to set loc pointer link. So we have to set loc pointer link, which is null right now, will be added at the address of PTR. So this is already null link part of last node. We previously set link of created node as a null. So what we did here, so here we have write loc pointer link equal to PTR. So after writing this line, our node is successfully added at last position. So hope you understand the process of this algorithm, how to add node or new node at last position into single linked list. For better understanding, you have to practice, because practice makes a man perfect. Thank you all of you.